Hello guys and welcome to episode number 20, where we will be solving 5 more SQL problems, this time 4 from Yelp and 1 from Google. So let's get started with problem number 1 right here. We have to find the review count, so that sounds like we have to find a count, for 1-star businesses. That's a filter from Yelp. That could be a filter though the company is Yelp. And then the table name has Yelp in it, so this is not a filter. We have to output the name along with corresponding review count. We have to output 2 columns and we have 1 filter. So let's get started here. We're gonna say select count, the name actually, first name of the business, and then the count of reviews. In this case, actually it's not a count, my bad. It seems that there is a column called review count. And in this case, if we look right here, where is it? Review count. It's this one right here. We have 427. We don't need to count the rows, actually. We need to sum up this column, the review count. So we're going to say sum review count. And then we have to, because this is a group by, we have to group by name. That should be the final solution. My bad, guys. I forgot the filter here. We have 1-star review, 1-star businesses only. So to figure out which one it is, we look into the schema here and we have stars as a float. We're going to say 1-star review. We have to filter where stars equals 1. And there you go. That's the solution right here. We should rename this actually. Should say here number of reviews. Now it looks a bit cleaner. Number of reviews here and the name. Quick recap. For every business name, we will find the total review count by summing the column review count. We only want businesses that have 1 star, and that's it. Problem number 2, guys. Let's see what we have to do. Find the number of open businesses. Open could be a filter. Maybe there's closed businesses. We only have to do 1 number. Number of open businesses. Let's see. Is open. We have here. Yes, this is a filter. Is open. We just want to count the distinct business IDs where is open equals with 1. And this should be num businesses. And the answer is 78. So we want to count all of the unique business IDs where is open equals to 1. Problem number 3. Find the average number of stars for each state. So we have to aggregate these right here. Then we have to output the state name along with average number of stars. Just a simple group by per state with the average number of stars. Select from. I'm going to put the table name here. I'm going to select the state. It's called state, and then we want average number of stars. Now we're going to group by state, and that should be a solution. We're just going to say here average stars, and let's see what I forgot here. Grew by. We have group by. There we go. This is the final answer right here. Quick recap. For every state, we want to find the average number of stars. That's about it. Problem number 4, and the last one from Yelp right here. Find the number of entries per star. Number of entries. So the count of rows maybe, or could be sum per star. Here we have to aggregate per star. And then we have to output the number of stars along with the number of entries. So by number of stars, they actually mean the stars, which is number. Then lastly, we have to order by stars ascending. So let's get started. Select from here. And we want number of entries. So we want stars, and then we want to count all of the entries. We want to group by stars, order by the count, order by stars. Okay, order by stars here. Let's rename this to num entries. right? So that's what it is. And here you see one of the stars is actually question mark, but we don't even have to filter out for that one. So here what we're doing for every star from 1 to 5, it seems, including the question mark, we have to do a count. How many rows do we have? And then we just order them by stars ascending, ASC here, and that's it. Problem number 5, guys, and the last one for today. This one is from Google right here. Let's see. Given the education levels and salaries of a group of individuals, find what average salary for each level education. For each level. So a group by education, and then we want to find average salary. Select from, I'm going to say first, we're going to output the education. Yeah, we have here education and salary. And then we want to find average salary. We're going to rename it to average salary. We're going to say group by, copy this education. We don't have to order. That should be the solution. There it is. Quick recap: for every level of education, we want to average the salary column, and that's it. Very simple. Again, today, very short video. Probably maybe the shortest one so far. So that was it for today, guys. Thank you for joining. And if you enjoy these kinds of problems, I encourage you to join the StrataScratch community. Consider using the affiliate link in the description. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.